Hello guys, you're welcome back to my today mathematics class for this upcoming NECO examination. So if you're just watching my video for the first time or visiting my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, like, also turn on your button in case you are notified for this, you'll be the first person to notify. And this is a likely question for this upcoming NECO examination, this mathematics class. So the question I'm about to share with you in this video is very important, okay? This is a pretty dead question. Now, we do that every year, and many of us learn to share a lot of testimony based on that question, because it prepared them ahead for any mathematics exam. So guys, so if you're just joining my channel for the first time, don't forget to stick to on this one, and don't skip any part of this video, because the question I'm about to share with you is very important. Don't joke with the question, because we always predict a question every year and our questions always come out. It's more than Expoz you're looking for all the way. The Google at the end of it, the result you still have to fade you. But if you can understand the question I'm about to share with you in this channel, yes, I can guarantee you have A. Okay, so don't joke with the question I'm about to share it with you in this particular video. Though this is our first question, is our first class for this upcoming NECO examination. So don't miss any part and don't miss any of our class. So if you want to have A, don't miss any of our class, okay? Because don't miss any of our question. Take a pen and take a notes and just sound it down. And if you don't understand any parts of this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or want to join our Telegram group, you check the description below. You see the link that directs you to our WhatsApp group or our Telegram group. And in case you have any mathematics question and you want us to so maybe when you are reading you find it difficult to solve actual question about mathematics, just let me know. I will help you to solve it in either like video like this, or you want it in written format, so I will send it to you on WhatsApp. So it's very important to join this class. And also, you find this video is a great opportunity. Share with your friends also to benefit from this video. Okay guys, let's go how you can solve this particular question. So the first question I'm about to share here is a very simple question, and many of you are aware of it. So what the question does, as you have displayed on the screen, right? So you want to decrease 120 by 25%. So we want to decrease 120 by 25%. Many of you know how to solve a question like this. This question is very simple. Yes, it is simple, but majority of you that watch this video, you may not know how to solve a question like this. And this question always come out as objective. No, this question we are still doing with the objective question. So in the next video we deal with a theory question. So let's go how you can solve a question on this. Okay, we have to find the 25% of this, or 120. We want to decrease it by 25%. The first thing, though, we have a two method of solving it. You have like three methods of solving it, but for the sake of this video, I will give you first only one method. But if you need another method to solve the question like this, let me know in the comment section too. I will do the rough sheet of it and I will send it to you so you can be able to read on it. So let's go. We have to solve this question like this. Say 120 multiplied by 25%. Now this percentage, it means what? 100. So it means that we divide by 25 by 100. So here 0 cancels 0 here. Okay. So in this place, 5 can divide by 10, we have 2, and 5 can divide by 25, we have 5. And this place 2 here 1, 2 in 12, we have 6. So therefore we have 6 times what? 5. That we have 30. Okay, now 25% of 120 is equal to what? 30. So now I want to decrease it now by this 25% of this 120 is 30. So to decrease it, it means that you subtract 30 from the 120, that's minus 130, that's given us what? 90 watts, as 90. So it means that we are decreasing 120 by 25%. The answer is equal to what? 90. So that's option what? Option C. So solution of this one I've solved. So when seeing a question like this, this is the best way to solve it, okay? and we have another method, but because of the sake of this video, let me use this method. If you want to learn another method, let me know in the comment section. So let's go to the second question of today, guys. Hey guys, let's go. Okay guys, you're welcome back to the second question. Okay guys, so as you can see, the third question said that find the products. Okay, I want to find the products. Okay, let me think what we have here. Okay, let's see how you can solve the question. So I want to find the product of 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 base 2, and we're given us 1, 1 base 2. So I want to find the product of it. Okay, the thing to take note here, product. Okay, you all know products, we know products. It means that we have multiplication, we have multiply. And multiply this what by this. Okay, so how do you solve this one? This is a number based system question, that is binary number base 2. So how do you solve question on this in base 2? So let's go. I can solve a question like this. So okay, what you just have to do here, though I have like 3 methods to solve a question like this, but for the sake of this video, let me give you the simplest way you can solve this question. So let's say that we have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So here I have 1, 1. So they are in base 2. So let's do the multiplication as normal multiplication, right? So we have a 1 times 0, we have 0, right? 1 times 1, that is 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. 1 times 0, that is 0. 1 times 1, that is 1. Okay, so you have done with the second digit, the first digit here. So let's go to the second digit. 1 times 0, we have 0. 1 times 1, we have 1. 1 times 1, that is 1. 1 times 0, we have 0. 1 times 1, we have 1. The next thing now is to add it together according to what normal multiplication, right? So to add it now, here we have about 0. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, we have about 1. Okay? 1 plus 1 in base 2. 1 plus 1 in base 2 is equal to 10. So let me put this for you. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to what? Is 2. Right? Now notice 1 plus 1 is 2. But because we are working towards what? Base 2. Okay? You can say 1 plus 1 what? Is 2. Because the greatest number in base 2 is what? Is 1. And number you can find in base 2 is 0 and what? And 1. That is the only number you can find what? In base 2. And when you add it together, 1 plus 1, we have 2. We don't have 2 as a number in base 2. So you need to convert this 2 to base 2. So it means that divided by the base. 2 divided by 2, that is 1, remainder of 0. 2 divided by 1, that is 0, remainder of 1. So therefore we have it as 10. Okay? So that is why 1 plus 1 in base 2 is equal to what? 10. So you write 0, you keep 1. 1 plus 0, that is what? 0. 1 plus 0, that is 1. Plus 1 you keep, that is what? 10. Okay, remember it is 2, but 2 in base 2 is 10. So you write 0, you keep what? 1. Okay, so 0 plus 1, that is what? 1. Plus 1 you keep, that is 2. And 2 in base 2 is what? Is 10. You write 0, you still keep what? 1. And the next one, you have 1 here. So 1 plus the 1 you keep, that is what? That is 2. And 2 in base 2 is what? Is 10. So you write the 10, okay? And then this will be the answer. So let's need to what in base 2. So let's look at the answer. Let's look at the option. So if you can see, how many 0 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now so we have 4 0. The option is option A. The correct answer is option A. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go to the next question of today's class. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, welcome back to the question theory of today mathematics class for this coming NECO examination. So let's go to the question theory, guys. Okay, so if I just joining us, don't forget to subscribe, like, also turn the button in case what you are brand for like this, you'll be the first person to notify. Okay, let's go to the question theory. As you can see, the question theory is that we should express, okay, we want to express 5 plus, we have 2 over 100, okay, plus we have 3 over 1000, we have plus, and we have what? 4 over, that is the 10, that is 100,000, okay. We have 4 over 100,000. So we want to express this one as a decimal number. How do you express this question as a decimal number? there's a way you can solve it in decimal number. Okay, so I have two methods, but let me break it down in the simplest method that you can understand it. So let's go to the simplest way you can solve a question like this. So let me solve it like this by introducing, because everything here they are in fraction. It's only this file that's not in fraction. Let me give this over 1. Okay, all the parts here they are all what in fraction. And the next thing to do now is to find the LCM. Okay, so when you find your LCM, the LCM is what? So the LCM, okay, let me write it down. The LCM here is what? We have 100, 1000, and 100,000. So 100,000 should be the LCM of it. So here we have what? 100,000. So you know, say that 1 divided by 100,000, how many times? It goes in what? In 100,000 times. 100,000 times 5, that gives us as 500,000. Plus 100 divided by 100,000, that is what? That's 1,000. 1,000 times 2, that gives us as 2,000. Plus the next one, 1,000 divided by 100,000, that is 100. Okay, 100 times 3, that gives us as 300. Plus there is a 100,000 divided by 100,000, that is 1. 1 times 4, that gives us 4. So in this place now, let's add everything together here. So let me do the rough sheet here. That is 500, okay, 500,000. We have, okay, let's give 500,000. We have 2,000. Okay, we have 2,000 here. And we have 300. And we have 4. So let's add it now. This one we have 4 here, we have 0, we have 3, we have 2, we have 0, we have 5. So it means that we have it. So this will be the answer, that is 502,304 divided by, that is 100,000. Okay, let me put it. Okay, so we want to divide what? 100,000 by this. What you just have to do here, how many number of 0 do we have here? It is what? 5. What you just have to do is to shift what? Your point, you want to indicate your points, and the number of 0 here is what? Is 5. So you indicate it this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means the point to be at this place. So therefore, when you use a calculator divided this by this, you have what? 5.02304. So this is the answer as a decimal. So let's look at our solution, our option here. You can see the option is option, that is option A. That is, no, it's not option A, that is option B. We have 5.02304. So the option is option C, rather. C is the answer to this particular question. That is 50. This thing is confusing. We have 5.0304. So option C is the answer to this question. Alright guys, let's go to the next question, guys. Let's go. Okay guys, welcome back to the question 4 of today mathematics class for this oncoming NECO examination. So let's look at the question 4. The question first to that, okay, let me clean the board. Okay, so we have the question 4 is to that simplify. We want to simplify, that is 2 root 5 divided by root 10. So this question, let me say this question is a solved question, okay? It's a solved. If you remember solved, you can know how you can solve the question like this. So it means that you should rationalize it, okay? So if you rationalize the question here, it means that you use this 10 to multiply by the numerator and the denominator. So that is a rationalization. So we will be equal to multiply by, that's root 10 divided by root 10. Okay, so when you are using this one, 10 times 2 root 10 times 2 root 5, that giving us, that is 2 root 5 times 10, okay, divided by 10 times root 10 times root 10, that gives us root 10 times root times 10. So therefore will be equal to, we have 2. So in this place will give us as root 50, and this one divided by that is give us root 100, because 10 times 10 we have what? 100. So therefore be equal to, in this place, root 50 is not a standard form, it's not a basic form of surd, because one of the factors of 50 it has what is a perfect square, which means that you can express this 50 as 25 times 2. 25 times 2 is what? That is 50. So let's express it like that. That is 2 root what? 25 times 2 divided by root of 100, we have 10. Okay, so in this place now, if we should express it in this way, as we have 2, we have root 5, we have root 25 multiplied by root 2 divided by 10. So root 5 is equal to what? Root 5, that is 5. 5 times 5 will give us 25. So root 5 is equal to 5. So that equal to that is 2 times 5 times root of 2 divided by 10. So therefore now to be equal to 5 times 2, we have 10 root of 2 divided by 10. So it means that this 10 becomes this 10 here. So therefore we have our answer to be root 2. So answer to this question is equal to root 2. Okay, so let's look for the option. So the option is option C. So C is the answer to this particular question. Okay guys, let's go to the next question guys. Let's go. Okay guys, welcome back to the question 5 for today's class. So let's look at the question 5 and learn solve it. Okay, let me explain what we have here. So as you can see, the question 5 states that if you have a log theory is given as log base 10, theory is equal to that is 0.4771. Let me write this one very well. 771, and we are told to evaluate. So we want to evaluate log base 10, that is 8.1. Okay, so we want to evaluate what? 8.1, and you were given the log theory is equal to this. Let's just evaluate this. So the first thing to do here now is to convert what the decimal number here to fraction. Okay, how do you do that? Now, if you still remember for your primary, let me say for your primary school or for your junior class, you know how to convert decimal to fraction. So let's go it. If you don't understand it, let's say 0.1. Let's see how you can convert it. So in this place, let's shoot this point outside. I want to convert this whole number. So if we shoot this point outside, how many times do you count it? You count it what? 1 times. So it means that 1 0. And if you still remember, 1 0 make what? A 10. So that is equal to, we have what? 81 divided by what? 10. So we are converting what? This 8.1 to fraction is equal to 81 divided by 10. So let's put it here. So this one becomes, we have equal to, that's log of base 10, open bracket, 8.1 has become, that is what? 81 divided by 10. So let's close brackets. Okay. So the next thing you just do here now, if you still remember law of logarithm, the division of logarithm you change to what? To minus. So here can be expressed as a log of what? Base 10. Take this, that's 81 minus. Because of division, change to minus. Okay, that's log of what? Base 10 and 10. Okay, so in this case that is very simple. What we just have to do here, if you still remember a law of logarithm that says that when you have the same words, when a log has they have the same base and the same words index, the answer is given as what? As 1. So definitely now we have a log base 10 and index of 10, so it means that this one gives us as 1. So now we have it as log of base 10, 81 minus 1. Okay, let's express 81 because we are given a log of 3 is what it is. We want to express 81 in form of 3. So if you still remember that if we have 81 can be expressed as index form as 3 raised power of what? Of 4. 3 times 3 times 3, and times 3 will give what? 81. So let's put it here. So therefore we have it as log of base 10, that is a 3 raised power of 4 minus 1. Okay? The next thing you do here now, if you still remember power law of logarithm, this 4 will come to this place, right? So let's put it like that. We have our 4 log of what? Base 10 and 3 minus 1. Then let's input our data. Log of 10 here is given as what? As this. Log of 3 base 10 we give out as this. So let's put it here. So therefore now the equal to, we have 4 into brackets. This replaced by this is 0.1, 0.4 711 close bracket minus 1. So let's multiply. Let's open the bracket now. So if it's a 4 times 0.771, it will give us 1.9084. When you use the calculator, 4 times this will give us 1.9084 minus 1. So let's subtract 1 from this. That's 1 from this place. We get as what? 0.9084. So this is the answer to this particular question. So let's look at our option. Let's see the option. That's option what? That is option D. So D is the answer. This is the option, the best option for this particular question. Okay, guys. So that is how you solve this question. This question is under logarithm. Okay, guys. Let's go to the next question, guys. Let's go. So let's look at the solution to this question. Says, okay, let's see the question as I can see. Okay, let me play what you have here. So guys, as you can see the question, so that we should give that, given a set, so given a set A, B, and C, shows that A is given that we have the elements of A, that is A, common, 1, common, C, common, 4, common, D. So that is the element in set A. So in set B, we have the element in set B as we have B, common, 4, common, 0, 9, 7, 6. So and the element in set C we have what? That is A, 4, 8, 9, D, 2, 5. Okay now. And the question said that you want to find that is our A union B close bracket and bracket and intersects. That is A union C. So we want to find our A union B intersect A union C. So now this question is we have mentioned sets, that is surds or theorems. So let's look at it to solve a question like this. Many of you know how to solve it, but let's look at the best way you can solve it. So let's go the way you can solve this question. So the first thing, let's first you split it. You first find what? A union B and find A union C, and then you find the intersect of it. So let's go our A union B. To get our A union B, it means that you write all the elements in number A in the set A together with set B. Union means what you write all the number of the elements we have in both sets. So in set A, what element we have? We have A. We have B, this B from set B here. We have 1. Next one we have 4. Okay, we still have C here. Okay, let me make it accordingly. We have C. Okay, letter here we have 4. We have 1. Okay, we have letter here. Okay, we still have D here. We have D in element here. Let's say D here. Come on. What else again? Do you have letter here? There's no letter here again. So next one we have 1. After it we have 4. After it, what do we have again? That is we have okay, this one is 0. Let me write it somehow. Okay, this one is 0. Let me write it. We have 0 here, come on, and also we have okay, I've write out this element A here. We have 4 is there, we have 1 is there. So let's say we have next one again. We have 6, we have 7, we have 9. Okay. So these are the elements. That is our A union B, where A union B is equal to this. So all the elements in A and what and B, they are this. So let's find our A union C. A union C. So it means that you write all the elements in what in A and C, you write it together. So you can see elements in A. We have A. So we have 1 here. We have 1 here. Okay. Here we have 4. So let's put the 4. And here we have C, let's put the C, and here we have 8, we'll put the 8, they both have 4, and here we have D, let's put the D, and here we have 9, so that's D. Okay, we have so I've written D already, so you don't need to write D again. So you have D, and next one we have 2, and we have 5. Okay, so let's combine it together now. Let's find out A union B and the intersect of A union what? C. So to find this one now, it means that this intersect, it means that what are the elements they have in common? The elements you can see in what? In this what? A union B, and same thing you can see the elements in A union C. So let's look at it now. So if you can see the elements you have that are common to both sides, A is common here, we have A. The first one is A, come on. So what are the elements? We have B, and we have B here. There's no B. We have C, okay, we have C here. C is common, you guys see? Okay. The next one, what do you have again? We have D and we have D here. So they have D common. What's the next one? We have 1. So we have 1 here. So we have 1 in common. So what's the next one again? We have 0. So okay, we have 4. 4 is also common here. Okay, let's put this 4. Come on. And also we have 0. And 0 is not here. Okay, we have 6. 6 is not here. We have 7. 7 is not here. We have 8. We have 9. 9 is here. So they have 9 in common. So we have as 9. So this will be the answer to the particular question. So let's look at the option words that best suits what we have here. So we have our ACDI 149. So it means that the answer is the option E. Option E is the correct answer to this question. Okay guys, I will drop the curtain here because of the length of the video. So let's go to the second part of this class in the next video. Next video we have question 1 to question 6 then. So the next video will be further to finish the mathematics class for this upcoming NECO examination. So thank you guys for watching to this moment. I really appreciate you for the time. I hope you are enjoying the class. So if you enjoy the class, don't just watch it, just go to the comment section and let me know where you are watching this video from, and also share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, also turn the button in case what you are event like this, you'll be the first one to notify. Okay guys, thank you. Let's go meet in the next video for the question 7 above. Okay guys, let's go. Thank you.